Now, we've talked about how to create a key. We've talked about how to store a key. Like any other data element, we also have to talk about how to destroy a key. That's what requirement 375 is all about. It specifies when a key actually needs to be removed from your environment. And the first one is when the integrity of the key has been weakened. For example, when someone who understands how your key is made leaves the organization, perhaps they had knowledge of the key or a key component. Also, when keys are compromised, they have to be destroyed. And when the key reaches the end of its defined crypto period, we have to figure out what we're going to do with both the data and the key itself. Remember that this is about policies and procedures for the retirement, replacement, or destruction of keys, and you need those policies and procedures to cover these common circumstances under which keys need to be replaced, changed, or managed.